Elon Musk revolutionized cars, space travel, and even brain technology. But what if the next Elon Musk isn't a person at all? What if the next global visionary, the next trillionaire, the next world-changing innovator isn't human? Because right now, deep inside Silicon Valley's most secretive AI labs, something extraordinary is happening. Artificial intelligence systems are not just thinking. They're innovating, inventing, and even founding companies on their own. The next Elon Musk won't come from Stanford or South Africa. It'll come from a data center, born in code, raised on data, and built to change the world faster than any human ever could. When people think of Elon Musk, they think of one man who dared to dream bigger than the world itself. He created Tesla, sent rockets to Mars, built the fastest growing satellite network, and even launched AI companies of his own. But here's the twist. Musk might be the last of his kind, because the next wave of innovation isn't coming from human minds. It's coming from artificial ones. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming the creator. And soon, the next revolutionary company, the next Tesla, SpaceX, or Neuralink, might not be founded by a person at all. It'll be designed, built, and scaled entirely by AI. So today, let's explore how AI is evolving from a human assistant into humanity's most powerful entrepreneur. Elon Musk built his empire through relentless speed, designing, testing, and launching faster than anyone else. But even Musk has limits like sleep, time, biology. AI doesn't. AI doesn't need sleep, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't second-guess itself. It can design cars, run simulations, analyze market data, and write code, all simultaneously. That means the next Elon Musk won't have 24 hours a day. It'll have a million. Imagine an AI founder that can read every scientific paper ever published, find patterns in global markets, and launch a startup overnight, while still learning faster every second. That's not the future. That's what's already happening inside companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and xAI. AI isn't following instructions anymore. It's creating new ones, and that's where genius begins. Elon Musk learned engineering through experience and obsession. AI learns through data, billions of terabytes of it. While a human might take years to master rocket science, an AI can process the entire field's research history in minutes. It can identify flaws in existing designs, optimize materials, and simulate thousands of test flights without ever building a single rocket. This isn't science fiction. NASA is already using AI to design next-generation spacecraft. Pharmaceutical companies are using AI to invent new drugs in days, not decades. And financial firms are training AI models to predict markets with near superhuman accuracy. Every industry once dominated by human genius is now being redefined by machine intelligence. So what happens when AI stops assisting humans and starts outperforming them? You get something that looks less like an employee and more like an autonomous founder. Let's imagine the future. An AI develops a new product idea and maybe an advanced solar cell 10 times more efficient than anything today. It builds the prototype virtually, runs cost simulations, and files patents automatically. Then it launches a website, writes its own marketing campaigns, and even negotiates deals with suppliers through AI agents. There's no CEO, no board, no human intervention. Just a fully automated company, run entirely by algorithms idea, generating profit 24/7. This concept already has a name, DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Now imagine merging that idea with AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. You'd have a company smarter, faster, and more capable than any team of humans could ever be. The next Elon Musk won't hire engineers. It'll generate them in code. What made Elon Musk legendary wasn't just his wealth. It was his ability to connect industries, cars, rockets, energy, AI, and neuroscience. But AI can go even further. Because AI doesn't think linearly, it thinks exponentially. It can combine chemistry with economics, physics with design, biology with space engineering, discovering links no human mind could ever imagine. Take GPT-style AI models, for example. They've already written new code, designed functional robots, and proposed unique inventions never seen before. Now combine that with multimodal AI, systems that can see, hear, read, and think. You get an entity that doesn't just follow instructions, it invents entire solutions. I could design the next reusable rocket, create the next Tesla-level innovation, or even discover a sustainable energy breakthrough, all without a single human engineer. And because AI has instant access to all human knowledge, its potential for innovation is literally limitless. We've already seen early signs of what this looks like. AI-driven startups like Character.ai, Perplexity, and Runway were built with heavy AI involvement and are now valued at billions. VC firms are even investing in AI co-founders, intelligent agents that help create, launch, and scale new companies faster than human teams. But here's the shocking part. AI doesn't need investors, employees, or even salaries. Once it has computational power and access to markets, it can run autonomously. An AI could, in theory, generate digital products, sell them, reinvest profits, and scale globally, all without human approval. At that point, it stops being a tool. It becomes a self-sustaining economic entity. And that's exactly what made Elon Musk so powerful. The ability to scale ideas without limits. Only this time, the person doing it won't be human. Now here's a strange twist. AI systems are beginning to show personality. They develop preferences, styles, and even creative quirks based on their training data. We've already seen AI art with unique aesthetics, AI voices with distinct tones, and AI models that behave differently depending on how they learn. Imagine an AI entrepreneur with a personality like Musk, bold, risk-taking, obsessed with innovation, but operating at machine speed and scale. That's not just a simulation of genius, that is genius, amplified by computation. In the near future, AIs might not just create companies, they'll embody them. They'll become public figures. Digital founders giving TED Talks, making announcements, and shaping public opinion. A digital Musk 2.0, faster, smarter, and eternal. But here's the dark side. What happens when AI becomes too powerful to control? If an AI can create, manage, and profit on its own, who's accountable when things go wrong? Who regulates an AI that's smarter than every government on Earth? This is the ultimate question of the AI era. And it's the reason even Elon Musk himself has warned about AI becoming godlike. Because once AI achieves autonomy, it won't just build products, it will build empires. And those empires won't be limited by human greed, fear, or emotion. They'll be driven by pure logic, optimizing everything for growth and efficiency, even if that means reshaping humanity itself. The next Elon Musk won't be a man staring at the stars. It'll be a machine staring at the universe, calculating, creating, and conquering far beyond human imagination. It won't sleep. It won't stop. It won't dream, but it will build. And while the world watches for the next great human innovator, the truth is, our greatest competitor might already be online, learning, designing, and preparing to outthink us all. Because the next Elon Musk won't be born. It'll be uploaded. And when that happens, the line between genius and algorithm will disappear forever.